click on execute. Are we getting all the 5 plan statuses? In the table, SNAP 1, CCAP 2, QHP 3, Medicaid 4, Medicare 5. 5 unique plan names are available. Am I able to get the unique plan names to display in the drop down? Unique plan statuses to display in the drop down. Chalo. Next one, search for the plans. Search for the plans, a dynamic filter. Now see, dynamic filter is a post method. Go for the plans, try it out. You need to set the plan name. You need to set the plan name and you need to set the plan status. Let me set the plan name as a SNAP. Let me set the plan status as a denied. Denied. Click on execute. Execute. How many records are available with the plan denied SNAP? How many records are there for the SNAP denied? See the table. SNAP, plan name, denied. How many records?
Welcome to recording in progress.
I have selected the name drop down. I have selected the status drop down. Both drop downs I have selected. You assume that. You assume that. I am giving plan name and I am giving the plan status here. Plan name is equal to SNAP. Plan status is equal to denied. Which record is satisfying? The output. Am I able to get the Smith record? 102 record Smith. Plan name is a SNAP. Holder name is a Smith. Status is denied. Benefit amount is null. Okay. Now I will not give anything in the deny. I will give empty. Empty. Click on execute. Am I able to get both records? SNAP John record approved record is coming. Smith denied record is also coming. I have given only plan name. For the plan name, I have 2 records. I'm able to get the 2 records. Here, I'm selecting only first drop down. I'm selecting only plan name. SNAP as a plan name. When I select the SNAP as a plan name, the JSON will go to the server with only plan name. Plan status is empty. When I click on execute, I'm getting 2 records. For example, I'm removing the plan name also. That means I'm not selecting the drop down also. I'm not selecting this drop down also. Now click on execute. Then what should happen? All the 10 records we are getting or not? Up to 110. From 101 to 110, 2 records are available for SNAP, 2 records are available for the CCAP, 2 records are available for the QHP, 2 records are available for Medicaid, 2 records are available for Medicare. Am I able to get all the 10 records when I am not giving plan name and plan status? Now let's give the plan status as only terminated. Let's give the plan status as only terminated. Uppercase it is having. Terminated. Terminated. Click on execute. When I click on terminated, which record is coming? Medicare and NICA record is a terminated record. Check it. Only for terminated status, NICA record is available. I'm getting only this single record when I give the plan status as a terminated. If I give the plan status as approved, approved. Can you check it? How many records should come? 1 record SNAP approved, 2nd record CCAP approved, 3rd record QHP approved, 4th record Medicaid approved, 5th record Medicare approved. There are total 5 records are approved. Click on execute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. This scenario is also working. Now tell me, are you able to retrieve the data without giving the plan name and plan status? Yes, we are able to retrieve. 10 records are coming. If I give the plan name as a SNAP, we are getting 2 records because based on the plan name, 2 records are available. If I give plan status as a terminated, there is only 1 record available. I'm getting 1 record. If I give the plan status as approved, there are 5 records are available for approved. I'm getting those 5 records. If I give the status as a denied, there are only 4 records available. We'll get only those 4 records. User can search with this drop down selection or with this drop down selection, or combination, or without selecting anything. All the scenarios are satisfied by our program or not. So now here, query to retrieve the data, am I using a static query or my query is a dynamic query? How my application retrieving the data from the table? Is it using a static query or it is using a dynamic query? Dynamic query. How the query is created dynamically? The complete magic is there in the example. The complete magic is there in the example. For the example, I am passing entity. For the example, I am passing the entity. Are you clear with this? I am passing example parameter as an entity. What this example will do? This example will create the query for the entity based on the data available in the entity. If my entity contains a plan name, then the query will become select star from table where plan name is equal to given value. If my entity contains a plan status, select star from the table where plan status is equal to given value. If my entity don't have these two conditions, select star from table. If my entity contains both, select star from the table where plan name is equal to given value and plan status is equal to given value. So the query creation is a dynamic condition. Based on the conditions only the query will be created. If first condition satisfied, entity will contain the plan name. Then it will create a query, select star from table where plan name. If only second condition satisfied, entity contains only plan status. Select star from table where plan status is equal to given value. If both conditions are satisfied, entity will contain the plan name and plan status. Then query will be select star from table where plan name is equal to given value and plan status is equal to given value. So these conditions are making my query dynamic. If I remove these conditions, it will retrieve all the records. Got it? But my requirement is a dynamic search. If a user select the first drop down, retrieve the data based on the first drop down. If a user select the second drop down, retrieve the data based on the second drop down. If a user select both drop downs, retrieve the data based on the both drop downs. If a user don't select both drop downs, then retrieve all the records. Is it working? Is it working now? Now can you understand? Now can you understand how the Flipkart is retrieving the data? Whenever you go for the Flipkart to search for the mobiles, you are going to search for some mobile. You are going to search for some mobiles in the Flipkart. How many products are coming? 10,898 products are coming. Now select the Realme. Select the Realme. Products are coming to 337 or not. That means it is filtering the products based on the brand name or not. Yes. When I select the Realme, that means it filtered the data based on the brand name. Now let's go to RAM. Select 4 GB. 108 products only coming. If I remove these conditions, 10,898 products are coming. Similarly, if you see, if I remove these conditions, I am not giving any input for my REST API. When I click on execute, 10 records are coming. 10 records are coming. If I give the plan name as a snap and click on execute, 2 records only coming. Because I have the 2 records for the snap plan. Is this a real-time scenario? Is this a real-time scenario? Dynamic search. In every project we will have this kind of scenario. In every project we will have this kind of, I have implemented this scenario several times in my project. Now chalo, let's go with the PDF first. We have a PDF requirement now. Try it out. Click on execute. Download a file. Plans.pdf. Let me open this PDF. Wow. PDF is created with the list of plans header. A table is created. Table header came with the yellow background, black font. Beautiful PDF is generated or not? Can we try Excel? Can we try Excel? Click on Excel. Go there, try it out. Execute. Execute. Download file. Click on this file. Plans.excel is generated. Click on this Excel. See that? Did I get the data in the Excel format? Plan ID, holder name, plan status, benefit amount. Are we able to get the data in the Excel file also? Are we able to get the data in the Excel file also? Yes, we are able to get the data in the Excel file. We are able to get the data in the PDF file. How these files are downloaded? How these files are downloaded directly? That is what the response content we have specified in the REST controller. That is what the response content we specified in the REST controller. See here, Excel or PDF. When I am setting the PDF, what is the content type I have specified? Application/PDF. Response.set content type I have given as application/PDF. Header key, header value. How the content should come to the client as a attachment. Plans.pdf. Searching the plans. It is retrieving all the data. Export. This is the method executing. I told you. Document. Paragraph with blue color. Center alignment. See? Paragraph with blue color center alignment. Go to the PDF. Click on execute. There is an option download file. Response came with the content disposition as an attachment. File name plans. Content type application PDF. Click on download file. PDF file is downloaded. A document is created. In this document I have specified list of plans. Where I have specified list of plans? This is the code. This is the code. I have created a font Helvetica bold. Font color is blue. Font size is 18. Font text is, paragraph text is list of plans. Alignment is center. That's why it came in the center. Blue color, Helvetica font, 80 is the font size. Now next, I have created a table. My table created with 5 columns. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns table is created. 5 columns table is created. For the table I have specified some width. Now you see, all the cells are having the same width, or the cells are having different widths. For a holder name, width is more. Cell size is more for the holder name. Why cell size is more for the holder name? Fourth cell is having 3.0 width. First cell 1.5, second cell 1.5. First cell, second cell size is same. Third cell is 2. Fourth cell is 3. Fifth cell is 2. So can you specify the size for the cell also? Holder name I have given 3 size. This is the size. Set width for the cells. Set width for the cell. Got it? Then next one. Cell I have created background color with yellow, padding 5. Yellow, padding 5. And set text for the cell with the font, black font. These are the cells, table cells, header row. Then these are the normal cells. Normal cells directly I am adding to the table. No special effect. That's why it is coming with the normal cells. This is a header cell, special cell. So complete this table is generated with this code. Complete that PDF is generated with this code. This is the code which is used to generate the PDF. Samjhe? Beautiful, na? Beautiful PDF is created. Now I will show you that in the Ashok IT website also we have this functionality in the backend. We have a backend. Now registered students are available here. How many students are available here now? What we will do is whenever the people are registering for the demo. So people are registering for the demo. This is Ashok IT backend portal. Admin people will manage this backend portal. You will see the front end part of the Ashok IT. You will see the front end part of the Ashok IT website. But this Ashok IT website is having a backend where we will schedule the batches. People are registering for the demo. Demo registers are available. There is a option, filter data. It is a dynamic filter or not? Based on the date I can filter. Based on the course name I can filter. Dynamic filters are available. Dynamic filter is available. Got it? Here I have a export data. When I click on export, what happened? Excel file is downloaded. You see? The moment when I click on export, when Excel file is downloaded, if I open this Excel, if I open that Excel, the students registered data, you see how many people's data is coming? 9,200 people's data is coming there. 9,200 people's data is coming there. What is the code we have written in the back end? What is the code we have written in the back end? Is it same like this or not? Is it same like this or not? Any number of records. You can pass a list with 10,000 records also. It is going to create the Excel. This code is going to create the Excel. Same code we have. Same code we have in the back end. When I click on export data, Excel file is downloaded. When I open that Excel, 9,225 records are downloaded. 9,225 records are downloaded. Is this a real-time functionality? Is this a real-time functionality? You go to any net banking. You have the option to download the mini statement. You log in into your net banking. You will have the option to download the mini statement. You can download the mini statement in the Excel format. You can download the mini statement in the PDF format. Let me show you that also. So this report generation is very common requirement in every project, guys. This mini statement is very common requirement in every project. One second, I am logging into my net banking. I will show you that functionality. How the options will be available in the net bankings. Yeah guys, now see here, I logged in into my Access Bank. Here do you have the option, download as a PDF, download as a Excel, download as a CSV. Do you have this option in the bank, Access Bank? Do you have this option in the Access Bank? Download it as a Excel, download as a PDF, click on go, download as a PDF. Now can you see the PDF file is created with my account? Can you see the PDF file is created? Now download as a Excel. Now see here, the PDF file is created. Every table is created now. PDF table is created here with the Access Bank. Access Bank created a PDF for my bank statement. I can generate the report in the Excel. Download as Excel. Click on go. Click on go. When Excel file is downloaded. When Excel file is downloaded in the net banking. You understand the importance of the PDF generation and Excel generation. You understand the importance of the PDF generation and Excel generation. Same thing. Now we have the backend API ready. Now tomorrow we are going to build the front end, Angular front end we are going to build for that. Once we create the front end, then we can also see the user interface, we can filter the data, we can download the Excel, we can download the PDF. That I will show you in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we are going to build front end for our third mini project using Angular. Backend is developed, backend is already tested with the Swagger. All the functionalities are working as expected. All the functionalities are working as expected. We are able to search the data, we are able to filter the data, we are able to download the Excel, we are able to download the PDF. So tomorrow we will see front end part for this. From the front end, we are going to filter the data, we are going to download the files. Front end development we will do in the tomorrow session. Okay? Can you guys practice this before coming to tomorrow session? Can you guys practice this before coming to tomorrow session? Fine guys, thank you. With this I am stopping for today. We'll continue in the tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll complete the front end part for third mini project. See you tomorrow. From tomorrow, class will start at 7:30. 7:30 to 8:45 is our class timing. Thank you, guys.